Alright, here we are again, video number 3. At least I hope it's video number 3, it should be. And now we have a hole that's 700 deep. I'm just going to measure that. Yep, 700 mil deep, so just over 2 feet. And what we've done at the bottom is at the bottom, that hole is a little bit bigger. I've opened it up all the way around at the bottom, make it a little bit bigger, so it makes it harder to pull out of the ground. Okay, so the end, if it was smaller at the bottom than it is at the top, then you'd be able to, even at 700 deep, my son would be able to pull it out of the ground. Okay, but what we've done is made it big enough, a bit bigger at the bottom, so it's like a rivet. And anything that wants to pull on it has to pull 700 mil of dirt up with it, and that takes a lot of effort. That takes quite a few ton of pressure. So that's what we do at the bottom of the hole, make the hole bigger than the rest of it, so it can't just get sucked out. Okay, and that's why we put at the bottom of these posts, which is Frankie's doing right now, is putting a base plate. If I didn't have a base plate on, of course, then the wind to be able to suck the post straight out of the concrete. Okay, what he's got is a plate which is bigger at the bottom than the rest of the post, so it can't just suck it out of the ground, out of the concrete. Same with the hole, you can't just suck it out of the hole. Alright, so remember that when you're digging the hole at the end, make sure your hole's just a little bit bigger. Doesn't have to be much bigger, as long as it's bigger than the rest of the hole. That way it has to pull the rest of the dirt up to pull it out of the hole. Okay, so that was a quick one. Talk to you again soon.